Alright, back on the 65 dually bill. We're adding some gussets to the bottom of these fenders, so when we never came with fenders, so this way it strengthens that fender up. We can put some brackets on there to help keep it from wobbling when going down the road. We got the back done. Just got to finish out these fronts, get them welded out, pop these braces on, and we're going to clean the whole inside of this bed out and get a rhino liner put in where spots you can't see under the wheel wells and whatnot. We've cleaned the inside, sanded it with an inch of its life. We're going to throw a rhino liner down on the stuff you can't see. It makes a really good, like an undercoat. It helps with rock chips and dings and noise. It does a lot of good stuff. We're stripping the outside down to bare metal. It's a new header panel. Let's get this thing whipped in shape. I hope so. We've got her sanded, 3 good coats of primer. We done blocked it. We got to get it the same color as that guy so we can get him put on the back of it. That's one solid coat of red down. Got 2 more to go. 3rd coat's down. We're finna get some clear going here as soon as the tack's out. Waiting on paint to dry. Ow! Nah, it's not adjusted. But oh my goodness, look at that. The lines came out good. Oh man, that's killer, dude. I love it. Jeez. We need to bring the front up, don't we? See the little